In this video, we'll discuss 11 daily habits that could be silently damaging your kidneys without you even realizing it. Kidney disease can silently harm not only the kidneys, but also other essential organs such as the heart, brain, and immune system. So stick around till the end because you might be surprised by some of the habits that could possibly be causing a lot of trouble for your kidneys. Number 1. Too much salt intake. A lot of people have the habit of adding extra salt to their food. It's important to be cautious about consuming too much salt because it can have negative effects on our kidneys. The reason behind this is the presence of sodium in salt, which can raise our blood pressure and put extra strain on our kidneys. This extra strain makes it challenging for them to eliminate excess fluid and sodium from our bodies. When our blood pressure remains high for a prolonged period, it can cause damage to the tiny blood vessels in our kidneys, leading to a decline in their ability to filter our blood. This can ultimately result in kidney damage and, in severe cases, kidney failure. Many individuals consume much more salt than they are aware of, often due to the high sodium content in processed foods like canned soups, frozen meals, snacks, sauces, and condiments. To reduce salt consumption, you can take steps such as focusing on eating fresh fruits and vegetables, cooking meals using herbs and spices instead of salt, and paying attention to nutritional labels for sodium content. Number 2. Often swallowing painkillers. It's important to be careful about using painkillers too often because they can hurt your kidneys, especially if your kidneys are already not working well. Painkillers that you can buy without a prescription, like ibuprofen, can make your kidneys swell and get scarred by reducing the blood flow to them. Even pain relief medicines like aspirin can be bad for your kidneys if you take them too often. To keep your kidneys safe and healthy, it's best to only use painkillers when you really need them and not take more than the recommended amount. Number 3. Ignoring urination urges. It might seem like a convenient choice, but holding in your pee can actually harm your kidneys. Over time, it could lead to the formation of kidney stones and incontinence. If you don't go to the bathroom regularly, all the toxins that are meant to be flushed out are retained by the body and the kidneys. Bacteria can build up and cause urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections are uncomfortable and, if not treated, can spread to your kidneys and cause severe damage. So, it's important to listen to your body and use the bathroom when you need to. Try not to go more than 4 hours without urinating and make sure to fully empty your bladder each time. Before we proceed to the next habit, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 4. Eating too much sugar. Study reveals that consuming a lot of sweets could lead to a rise in the levels of uric acid, leading to heart and kidney diseases in the long run. Sugar can also lead to obesity, which can increase your risk of developing high blood pressure and diabetes, two of the leading causes of kidney disease. While everybody knows that desserts and sweets are filled with sugar, it is often added to drinks and foods that we may not consider sweet, such as soft drinks, condiments, and bread. Make sure to pay attention to the ingredients when buying drinks and foods. Number 5. Drinking too much alcohol. Drinking alcohol affects your kidneys. Alcohol can make your kidneys less able to filter your blood. Also, alcohol acts as a diuretic, causing increased urination and dehydration. This puts stress on your kidneys as they try to balance fluids in your body. Alcohol also affects the liver, which produces a substance called urea. When you drink excessively, your liver makes more urea than your kidneys can handle, leading to potential kidney damage. 1 or 2 drinks now and then usually has no serious effects, but excessive drinking, more than 4 drinks daily, can worsen kidney disease and affect your health. Number 6. Eating too much protein. While protein is an essential nutrient for the body, it's important to consume it in moderation and from diverse sources. Animal protein, in particular, can have negative effects on kidney health. Excessive consumption of animal protein can lead to an increase in acid levels in the blood, which can be harmful to the kidneys and cause acidosis. Acidosis can result in various complications, including kidney stones, bone loss, muscle wasting, and chronic kidney disease. To ensure a balanced and moderate protein intake, it's advisable to incorporate more plant-based protein sources into your diet. Beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, tofu, and quinoa are excellent options as they provide not only high levels of protein, fiber, and antioxidants, but also low acidity. Number 7. Smoking. Smoking is an incredibly harmful habit, particularly for your kidneys. It damages the blood vessels, reducing blood flow and impaired kidney function to filter waste and toxins. Additionally, smoking significantly increases the risk of kidney cancer, one of the most common types of cancer. In fact, a study showed that smokers were 60% more likely to develop kidney failure compared to non-smokers. Quitting smoking is crucial not only for your kidneys, but also for your lungs, heart, brain, skin, teeth, and overall well-being. Take the steps towards a healthier life by quitting smoking and protecting your kidneys from further harm. Number 8. Not drinking enough water. Our kidneys rely on adequate hydration to remove waste and toxins from our bodies. If we don't drink enough water, these substances can build up and cause problems like kidney stones and chronic kidney disease. It is generally recommended to drink 1.5 to 2 liters of water per day, but individual needs may vary depending on factors like age, weight, activity level, climate, and health conditions. To stay properly hydrated, it's important to drink water regularly throughout the day, especially during and after physical activity. Other fluids like herbal teas, juices, and soups can also help with hydration, but it's important to avoid drinks that can dehydrate you, such as those with caffeine, alcohol, or added sugars. Number 9. Eating too much processed foods. Processed foods can pose a threat to your kidneys. They often contain high amounts of sodium and phosphorus, which can contribute to kidney damage over time. Consuming these foods regularly may lead to issues like high blood pressure and the formation of kidney stones. To protect your kidneys, it's advisable to focus on fresh, whole foods. Choose fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats as the main components of your diet. When it comes to packaged foods, read the labels carefully and opt for low sodium and low phosphorus options whenever possible. Number 10. Not getting enough sleep. Getting enough sleep plays a crucial role in promoting kidney health. The kidneys operate on a 24-hour circadian rhythm, adjusting their workloads throughout the day. While sleeping, kidneys reduce activity and rest. Upon waking, they increase filtration. However, with insufficient sleep, the cycle is disrupted and can lead to kidney damage. Research shows that both too little and too much sleep can increase the risk of kidney disease. Lack of sleep is particularly harmful, with studies linking less than 5 hours of sleep per night to a 65% higher risk of kidney disease than those sleeping 7 to 8 hours per night. It is important to maintain a regular sleep schedule and practice relaxation techniques to promote healthy sleeping patterns, while also prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Number 11. Not exercising enough. Exercising regularly can help keep your kidneys in good shape. It helps you keep a healthy weight and lowers the risk of obesity and diabetes, which are two main causes of kidney problems. Exercise also helps bring down blood pressure, which keeps your kidneys safe from damage. A study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that people who exercised regularly had much lower chances of developing kidney disease compared to those who didn't. The recommended amount of exercise for adults is at least 30 minutes per day. By being active, you give your kidneys the care they need to stay healthy and strong. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch more amazing videos from our channel.